HP Printer Reset Guide. Quick and easy. Method 1. Basic Power Reset. This method fixes common errors like paper jams, print queue stuck, or slow response. Turn off the printer using the power button. Unplug the power cable from both the printer and wall outlet. Wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds if your model has one. Now, plug the cable back in and turn the printer on. Done. This clears temporary glitches. Method 2. Factory Reset, which restores default settings. Warning, this will erase Wi-Fi, custom settings, and saved preferences. If your HP has a touchscreen, tap Home, then go to Settings or Setup, indicated by the gear icon. Select Printer Maintenance or Service. Tap Restore, and then Restore Factory Defaults or Reset All Settings. Confirm with Yes. If your HP printer has buttons and no screen, try this key combination. Turn off the printer. Hold the Cancel and Wireless buttons or the Cancel and Resume buttons. While holding, turn the printer on. Keep holding for 10 to 15 seconds until lights blink or the printer resets. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, The Printer Zone.